Welcome to this SwellPro tutorial video. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to upgrade the firmware of the camera on the SplashDrone 3. Before the upgrade, please download the latest firmware package from the download page of SwellPro.com. Unzip the file and copy the .bin file onto the root directory of a micro SD card. Please do not change or rename the bin file. It's recommended to use a micro SD card of less than 32 gigabytes. With the drone powered off, put the SD card into the camera, then power on the drone. The camera will upgrade by itself. During the upgrade, the red LED of the camera will flash. When the red LED changes to green, this indicates that the upgrade is completed. After the upgrade, remove the SD card and delete the bin file. Now you've learned how to upgrade the camera. Thanks for watching.